The format bar mines the main Excel formatting elements. Its buttons and checkboxes are divided into three logical groups. The first is related to alpha character formatting in general. The second is associated with cell content alignment, and the third is numeric formatting. Excel allows you to improve the look of your spreadsheet by using different colors for the text or cell background. Changing the color of a cell's text is done using the Font Color button, the last one on the format bar. To select another color, click on the arrow next to the button to open the color selection box. When it opens, select the desired color. This color change does not affect the default font color used, which will remain black. However, you can now change the text color of any cell by selecting it and clicking on that button. The procedure for changing the cell background color is identical to the text color, only now the Colors button must be used, the one with the picture of a bucket. Select the cell and click on the arrow next to the Colors button. Choose whatever color you like. The background color is automatically applied, without changing the color of the letters. Excel allows you to wrap one or more selected cells with different types of borders or frames. Applying the frame or border is quite simple and consists of selecting the cells and pressing the Frame Types button to apply the previously selected frame or the arrow next to it to choose one of the available types. Another way to access the border or frame menu is to select the columns, right-click and select the Format Cells option. Then, select the Border menu. Note that you can also change the border color.